Just a quick little video. So I was having a weird issue where I had my leveling higher on this side than this side, and the bed was loose, but it's solid now because I took my wrench here and adjusted the eccentric nuts so they're all riding. So the bed is solid. You can see here, doesn't rock. That's good. However, it was still having an issue, and I went in here and the whole X carriage is loose. So this printer was set up and adjusted about 6 or 7 months ago, and the issue with this is as this is moving, this is going to rotate and skew the reading. So we're going to go ahead and adjust our eccentric here on the X. Is right here. It's on this wheel. So we're going to go here and put our wrench, and we're going to turn it, and now it's really loose. So we're going to keep turning it, check it. Getting a little better, so I need to go a little further. And now this thing's solid. It doesn't rock at all. And this is just something you should check on your printers every now and again, because like I said, this was set up, everything was nice and tight. Same thing on the side here. This wheel is nice and tight, which means this is going to be level. I just checked the gantry, and these are exactly the same on either side. But this issue here, where this was loose, you can see now it's not, will cause the sensor not to work correctly, and it also causes other print issues in general. So you want to make sure your eccentric wheels are adjusted. Just go through your printer, check your belts, make sure the tension is good. You should just press on them, and there should be some give to it, but it should not be sloppy. So just something to note if you're having issues with your printer, whether you're using a bed leveling system like the Easy ABL, or if you're just using a printer in general. Everything should be nice and tight. You see how this doesn't move now when I pull on it, and that's how it should be.